Good morning, welcome to CMS. My name's Jeff Day, I'm the Technical Manager here, and today I'm going to run through the Unicam termination, fibre optic termination. So here we have the Unicam kit. The contents include a pair of Kevlar shears, you've got a Sharpie there for marking the fibre, just a Sharpie pen. You've got some cleaning fluid, also some wipes that you'll need with the cleaning fluid, clean the fibres. Here we have the Unicam cleave tool, which I'll go through in much more detail when we do the demonstration. Also you have the Unicam machine itself, which is the camming machine. We have some Miller strippers for stripping back the buffer of the fibre and back down to the core. And also we have a set of crimp tools here. This is for if you're doing a patch lead fibre termination. This happens to be a single mode fibre, so it's 9/125. Same principle whether you're doing multi-mode or single mode for a tight buffered cable. Same procedure when you're terminating the connectors. You just get the right connector type for the right fibre type. What you want to do first though, you don't want to strip the fibre back and cleave it and then leave it on a desk where it can get dirty. So what we want to do is put the connector into the Unicam machine first. So once we've proceeded to do that and cleaved the fibre and stripped it back, we can feed it straight into the back of the connector. So what you've got to do, take your dust caps off. Here's a Unicam machine. On the top left hand side of the Unicam, what you've got is a toggle button that moves the recess up and down for you to fit the connector into. So that just slots in, the connector slides down into place. Then I move the visual fault locator over the top of the connector. Then once the unit's turned on, flip the lid down. Now if you've still got a green button, it means it's ready to go. Okay, so we put that to one side and then we've got to strip and cleave the fibre back. What I've done first, I put the boot on the back of the fibre, or on the fibre first. Make sure you do that. It's a common mistake to leave that off, do it all and then you haven't got the boot on. So what we've got to do is use this cleave tool now, which has got a handy little marking tab along the side which tells you how far you need to mark back the fibre. That's all I do. I lay the fibre along the edge there. I'll make 2 marks, 2 points, 1 and 2. All I'm doing now, using the Miller strippers I've got here, I'll be stripping the fibre back to the first point that I made, so the first mark. The second mark is purely just for locating the fibre into the back of the Unicam machine. That's done, and we take the residue fibre off. So once you've stripped the fibre back, what you need to do is clean it. So using a cleaning wipe here, what you need to do is put some cleaning fluid on it. Place the fibre in that. Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, and that's ready for its final cleave. What you've got here is a cleave tool. Now, what you've got a trench here, a 900 micron trench, which basically allows you to feed the buffer into the cleave tool. What you want to do is to press the 2 buttons at the bottom of the connector unit and you feed the fibre. That opens it up, you allow it to feed the fibre in. What you want to do is feel it bottom out, then you release those 2 buttons and it holds it in place. Press the red button first, then the blue button on top, and then finally the black button to release the fibre out, and you should have a nice clean cleave. Now that's ready to insert straight into the back of the Unicam machine, the connector now. Still got the green light. Now what I need to do is feed this fibre into the bottom of the connector which I showed you earlier. Okay, so we feed the fibre in. What you'll see, it bottoms out. Then what we need to do is press the bottom left hand button this time, and you should get a green light, which you can see there. Then we turn the toggle, lift the machine up, visual fault locator comes out of place, remove the fibre, and that's cleaved in place. Now all we need to do is bring the boot back up to the back of the connector, and finally just put the SC shell on. That clicks into place, not forgetting your dust cap. And there we have a completed single mode Unicam SC connector. If you require any data sheets or other information, please contact myself, jeff.day@cmsplc.com, or you can contact our team on 01252 379 379. Thank you.